There have been two stations at Stone, and both were opened by the North Staffordshire Railway. The first was opened on the 17th of April 1848 and was next to the Newcastle Road Bridge. However, with the opening of the Colwich line on the 1st of May 1849, the original station was closed and replaced the same day by the current station. The station was renamed Stone Junction in January 1888, but reverted to the original name of Stone at some point between 1923 and 1947. The Colwich platforms were closed in 1947 and subsequently removed. The station building has been redeveloped by Stone Town Council as a community centre, and Aptis ticketing here ceased in 1993. When the station became unstaffed. So we'll get started here at Stone with 350-104, working the 0805 London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Crewe. Next for cross country is 220030 and 221127, working 1 Oscar 08 from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth via Birmingham New Street, Coventry, Leamington Spa, Reading and Southampton Central. Quickly coming the other way is 350-254, working the 0835 London Northwestern Railway service from Crewe to Birmingham New Street via Wolverhampton. Working all on its lonesome is 221125, working 1 Mike 18 from Southampton Central to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. First of the fast Avantis now as 390-128 flies off the Colwich branch, working 1H08 from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. And going in the opposite direction is 390-112, working 1 Alpha 12 from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. And here comes our train in the form of 350-257, working the 0905 London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Crewe. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.